Greetings, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you all a little bit about how you are able to use the blueprint mode in Zyng. How you can upload a blueprint, what the idea and a concept behind the blueprint is, and how it could be used. So, as the word suggests, a blueprint is basically like a wireframe or a base composition for any image design. You are able to upload these base compositions into Zyng this way, and you are then able to prompt the image to have a lot more control. So, for example, if you guys are able to see, I have actually used this box here to be able to prompt this image and get this kind of an output. So, the idea there is to be able to create a scene, create a scenario, compose the scene in a way where we have a lot more access to be able to showcase the product in the best shape, size, and form possible. So let me quickly show you how we can build some of these blueprints and how we are able to execute them in Zyng as well. As you guys are able to see here, I am in Figma and I've been able to kind of bring these different types of pedestals, different shapes, different kind of scenes around it, and then bring these images together. I quickly import them, upload them into Zyng by defining them, and I have some of them in the interest of time already placed here. So let's quickly select uh, a blueprint. So I've selected this blueprint, and now I am going to, let's say, go to the asset and let's bring a product in. We can resize the product the way we want and position the product. Now we can go and again decide what kind of prompting mode we want, whether we want an AI assist mode or a manual mode. Let's say in this case, I would want to go with a manual mode. And here is the prompt box where I can put in my idea. So let's say it is placed on a golden glittery pedestal with a white and golden background where ribbons where golden ribbons are flying aesthetically. And I would say it to be a real photo, 16K and high resolution. So I'm trying to kind of compose the scene around this pedestal. I'm also imagining the pedestal to be something else. And that's what I'm actually able to do. What we're also doing in Zyng now is giving you guys a whole bunch of preset scenes. Like we have shown some of the scenes here. You would also have access to a lot of these scenes so that you're able to prompt your product. Now, let's say I want a similar prompt, but I want to try another pedestal. So I just click on the other pedestal, it arrives. We already have a prompt here. Go ahead, click generate. Let's use one more pedestal for the same product. Here we have like some rock-like surface on the other sides. So let's see what kind of innovative design we're able to get. And there you go. We have already started getting some amazing results from our prompts there. As you see, this pedestal is basically something that I had made here, and then I was able to import this, prompt it, and now we are able to compose a scene around it. So this was like the little bit of glitter and glam that I wanted around the product, and I've been able to control all of this using the blueprint mode. Now I have some of these irregularities as you see around the product. I don't like them. So I'm going to clean the image and get some more clarity. Same here as well. But as you see, I've so easily and quickly been able to compose this scene. Here we've gotten something creative. We've gotten the Estee Lauder bottle with some wings. But let's clean this image and see what that looks like too. So as you guys have seen, like, you're getting an idea. I've used the pedestal, I've gotten different types of outputs with it, and now what we'll continue to see is how we're able to change, transform those outputs as well. Let me quickly show you some of my older results. For example, this square box has actually been converted into this amazing looking metallic box using a prompt system. I'll tell you a lot more about how we can use a lot of the prompting system that is present with agent Zyng, as well as coming up with your own complex prompts to be able to get such designs. Now, as you see here, we're actually able to create this aesthetic kind of texture base alongside what we had in the blueprint as well. So you'll be able to see the blueprint here. So now we have a clean image. If we're not very happy with that, then we always have other options. We have different, the pedestals presented in many different ways. Here we have these beautiful aesthetic butterflies now in an abstract form that are flying around the product. So you are able to actually compose and control the scenes in so many ways and have such amazing outputs by the end of it. So this was a quick glimpse into what blueprints can do, how you're able to use them, how you're able to get these outputs. And I personally think this is a feature that is going to be very good for people who want to add scale to their production, who have many different aspects, many different products and SKUs that they would want to have in it. It would be super useful for them. So thank you guys.